Halloween is nigh. Time for pumpkin lattes and weird colored burgers. Pumpkin flavoring. Fine for coffee and donuts. Not so for french fries. Know what's a mean trick? The Impossible Whopper. No meat is no treat. All through October, the Starbucks line is insane. Pumpkin spice madness. A plastic horror. The Burger King has dead eyes. Mascots are creepy. Monster Batch Donuts. They're the snack that bites back with high cholesterol. Now served at Hardee's, the garlic bread thick burger, a vampire's nightmare. Don't eat Taco Bell. The colon pain will have you howling at the moon. Phantom clucking sounds. Chick-fil-A food floats mid-air. Poultrygeist's revenge. Burger King taco. Burnt shell. Contents ghostly sparse. You'll ask, where's the beef? Spell of spiciness. Popeye's new voodoo tenders. They'll make your tongue scream. Halloween prank time. Instead of eggs, throw Zax sauce. The stench is way worse. The end. Happy Halloween. See you next fear.